Donald Trump is the third criminal case against the 2024 GOP frontrunner.
And tonight there continues to be a lot of reaction. The 4-count indictment on felony charges could have far-reaching and legal and political implications. Erie News Now state capitol correspondent Brendan Scanlon is joining us live from Harrisburg tonight. Brendan, you talk with experts to break down the latest charges and why timing is extremely important. What did you learn today?
Hey there, Mike and Eva. Good evening. Yeah, there's a lot to break down with this. Legal experts tell me that the political impact of this indictment, as you said, Eva, really depends on timing. The case itself really depends on whether the former president knew that he or believed that his public statements about election fraud leading up to January 6th were false.
The key allegation in the indictment is that President Trump knew that his statements about fraud in the 2020 election were false. Now, that's just an allegation at this point. Of course, it's in an indictment. It'll have to be proven at trial.
But proving what's going on in Trump's head at the time is no easy task for prosecutors, according to Widener law professor Michael Domino.
You're trying to prove what he knew or what he thought at the time he acted, and that's always going to be difficult.
It really boils down to whether Trump's public statements are protected under the First Amendment as political speech or if they were intentionally used to undermine the election certification. Domino says the felony charges, which include conspiring to defraud the United States, stand out compared to previous ones. But as for political implications, he believes the previous indictments will be just as, if not more significant than yesterday's, because those trials will likely take place before the 2024 election.
So what may end up being the most significant in a political sense is the trial that happens before the election. And right now, the New York case and the classified documents case are scheduled to go to trial in the spring or perhaps early summer next year.
And now Domino also tells me that the Justice Department is in a bit of a difficult spot here. He says, on one hand, if the DOJ continues to pursue this case, that they're going to face intense scrutiny from many Republicans, obviously, who call it a weaponization of the justice system to target a political opponent. But on the other hand, if they fail to pursue, Domino says that could set a very dangerous precedent over whether or not the government should investigate the alleged crimes of those with political power. Reporting live at the state capitol in Harrisburg for Erie News Now, I'm Brendan Scanlon. Mike and Eva, back to you.